Today we went to a Candlelight concert, and honestly, it was a complete disappointment. Just look at the kind of advertising they used to draw people in. Magical atmosphere, live classical music, glowing candlelight. But in reality, what you get is 4 guys playing violins for about 80 to 90 minutes. The candles? Completely fake. And guess what? You're not even allowed to film the concert. Only the last song is permitted for recording. All of this for a ticket that costs 45 euros. So what do you think? Worth it?